This time of year, it seems that wherever we turn, there's someone else we want to add to our gift-giving list. And since we want to treat them extra special, rather than picking up something they'll forget about in no time, how about if we make them something truly homemade? Because in my book, there is nothing better. So here's a few ideas. It can be as basic as whipping up some butter with a touch of cinnamon and a splash of vanilla to create a gourmet butter. And when we present it in a decorative jar, along with a few holiday trimmings, we're good to go. Or how about baking an easy as can be quick bread? And that can be banana, zucchini, or my new favorite, pumpkin. Any of these wrapped in cellophane and tied with a ribbon, and we've got a gift that'll be the talk of the block. And this time of year, nothing is more welcoming than a steaming mug of hot chocolate. So how about making a batch from scratch that's brimming with mini marshmallows and chunks of chocolate and putting it in a decorative jar? Maybe give that with some plastic spoons that we dip the bowl part in some melted chocolate. It's a gift that they'll love more and more with every sip. I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our hot cocoa mix, along with a collection of homemade goodies that are perfect for gift giving all year long. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a homemade way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.